How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix bad accuracy on OSU. So what you want to do is to just navigate through the level that you want to practice. And from here, we will get this sidebar right here, which allows us to see the accuracy of our hits. So for example, if you go ahead and see the bar on the blue level, that means that our accuracy is on point. But if you saw it heading over to something like the green part or the red part, this means that we actually have to adjust a specific setting. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this slate, which will then show you that it's actually going down right here. So to simply adjust this, you'll want to click on options or the settings of the entire game. And then in here, you want to type offset. We are looking for the offset adjustment, which allows us to actually offset the audio onto our clicks or our hits. So if you're experiencing something like the audio is on advance, you then want to try to adjust this accordingly. Basically, it will say that minus 500 milliseconds, hit objects appear later. You could try adjusting this once again to adjust your accuracy, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.